Good afternoon, my name is Peter Luskus, National Sales Manager here at Test Products International, and I'm here this afternoon to show you our Model 510 solar meter. It takes a standard 9-volt battery and it will measure either watts per square meter or BTUs per hour per square foot. The range on it is up to 1,999 watts per square meter. Really simple and easy to use. It's got a minimum and a maximum for a record feature on here. Allows you to switch between the two units of measure, and there's also a data hold and auto range button. But all you need to do is turn the unit on, hold it up to your light source, maybe through a window or through a tinted window someplace where you had some storm windows, and you can see the radiation concentration here on the meter, so you can find out before and after you did some window coverings for an energy audit, or maybe you're tinting car windows and you want to see how much solar radiation you're keeping out of the car. This is the tool for it if you're using photovoltaic cells. Another nice instrument for you to have in your toolbox.